Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can change the image brightness in your presentations and slides on LibreOffice Impress. So let us dive into this. So navigate to the slide in your presentation with the image. I will go to the example slide here. Make sure that you give an element. In this case here the photo is selected with your left mouse. And after that, navigate to the item or object properties by clicking into this button in the top right corner of the sidebar, or use the shortcut Alt-J. No, it's Alt-1, excuse me. And after that, you will see these options here, like the transparency, various effects, shadow effects, the position. So what you want to do, guys, is expand the image effects here at the bottom. And from there, customize the brightness by using these up and down arrows or by entering the value. So if you'd like to make the image brighter, increase it and you will see the effect here to the left. Or decrease it by pressing and holding the arrow down button. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. As you can see, you can even go below 0 to minus to make it darker. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.